Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring online. First, ensure you have a legitimate copy of the game on your preferred platform, whether it's PC, PlayStation, or Xbox. Next, verify your internet connection is stable and robust, as a strong connection is crucial for seamless online interactions. Finally, confirm your gaming platform's online services, like PlayStation Plus or Xbox Game Pass Core, are active and subscribed to enable multiplayer features. These initial steps are vital for a smooth online experience. Once your setup is complete, you'll need specific in-game items to engage with others. To see summon signs from fellow Tarnished, use a Furl Calling Finger remedy. If you wish to offer your aid, place your own Tarnished's furled finger on the ground. For those seeking player versus player duels, the Duelist's Furled Finger is your key to challenging others. These items are fundamental for initiating both cooperative and competitive online play. Beyond simple summoning, Elden Ring offers diverse online interactions. If you're feeling competitive, the Bloody Finger lets you invade another player's world for thrilling player versus player combat. For broader cooperative opportunities, use the small golden effigy to send your summon sign to several nearby summoning pools, increasing your chances of being called to aid. Working together can make challenging bosses much more manageable and exploration more enjoyable. To ensure the best online experience, keep a few tips in mind. Always strive for a strong and reliable internet connection to minimize lag and disconnections during crucial moments. Be mindful that latency, or ping, can sometimes affect combat timing, so adapt your strategies accordingly. Finally, remember to respect other players and adhere to community guidelines to foster a positive and enjoyable online environment for everyone in the lands between.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.